Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 2. Draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. Let us find the point 2, 3. X-axis is 2 and y-axis is 3. This point is 2, 3. This point is 2, 3. And take another point 3, 2. The x is 3 and y is 2. This point is 3, 2. Right? If you draw a straight line, we'll get, here you see, if you draw a straight line, then we are getting a straight line like this. You see, we get a straight line like this, and here you see this point we are getting, this point we are getting is, this point is x is 0, y is 5, that is 0, 5. This point is 0, 5, 0, 5. And this point you see here, that is 5 and 0. This point is 5, 0, 5, 0. Right? The question was finding the coordinates of the points at which this axis meet the x-axis. That we can write from the graph. It can be observed that from the graph it can be observed that the line joining the points 2 and 3, that the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 3, 2, passing the line 2, 3 and 3, 2 meets the x-axis at point 50, and the y-axis, and meet the y-axis at point 50, 0, 5. X is 0, y is 5. This point, right? Here this is the graph, and here from the graph it can be observed that the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2 meet the x-axis at point 50 and meet the y-axis at point 0, 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.